In this video, we will show you how to set up and light a fire in your fire pit with accompanying stand. First, place your fire pit stand on a level surface, and place your fire pit on top. It should slide easily over the tapered tabs and lock into place. Careful, metal edges can be sharp. Next, inspect the grate and ash pan to make sure it's operational and firmly locked in place. Over time, and depending on use, this grate may need to be replaced. Once the grate is secure, it's time to build your fire. Make sure you have an extinguisher nearby and practice safe fire handling rules. To start, place small tinder and kindling in the center. Then use some smaller wrist-sized logs on top. From here, add and loosely stack standard size split wood as needed or desired. Once that's done, light it up. This is a good time to add our accessories collar if you're planning on grilling or cooking pizzas. Here are some tips on how to maintain a perfect fire pit experience. Never fill the fire pit above the top air holes. This can cause issues with airflow, and it can let sparks and embers escape. In fact, you shouldn't need to fill it more than halfway full. And now you're all ready to enjoy your fire pit.